Good morning po mga future homeowners. So just a quick reminder po, when thinking about buying any real estate property, always do proper due diligence. Now, there are two things that you need to consider when purchasing any property, be it lot only, residential, commercial, agricultural. First one is the documentation. You need to check if number one, yung title is naka-address doon sa seller. So you need to ask for the copy of the title or certified to copy ng title from the owner or kung hindi man doon sa ahente na nagbebenta sa iyo nito. You need to check if the name is valid through asking for some identification from the seller. Anything from government ID, passport, or anything of that nature. Pangalawa, you need to also check if there's any encumbrances doon sa title. When I say encumbrances, meron bang pending na kaso ang property sa kahit na anong regional trial court? Meron po ba itong pagkakautang sa kahit na anong bangko? Meron bang mga claimant claiming towards the property? So you need to check and verify that with the seller before buying any property. Kasi lahat po yun, kapag merong pagkakautang or merong claimant claiming over the property, syempre ikaw ang magkakarga nun. Pagka na-check na po natin yun, syempre kailangan din natin to check with the local municipality kung saan naluluklok yung property. Pangalawang titingnan po natin is yung tax declaration at tax clearance. Ano po ba yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Well, ang tax declaration, ito po yung proof ng local municipality na nagsasabi kung meron bang pagkakautang yung may-ari ng property sa kanyang amilyar. Doon yung nakasaad kung ito ba ay updated or hindi. Pangalawa naman is yung tax clearance. Ito rin naman yung dokumento na nanggagaling doon sa local municipality, nagsasaad kung clear ba siya na magbenta or meron pa siyang pending na pagkakautang. Now, pagka na-check mo na yon, yung tatlong yon, yung tax clearance, tax declaration, and then yung certified true copy nung title, you go on and make ocular inspection doon sa property. Siyempre, kailangan mo malaman yung history ng property, At kung ano yung kalagayan niya, kung ito bang property na to is nasa isang elevated area, sloping area, may mga features ba siya kagaya ng puno, gated community, and all that. Also, you need to check for the security. Siyempre, kailangan nating ma-secure yung property, May mga overlapping na features ba ang property against another property? And things of that nature. Meron ba siyang And also, meron ba siyang mga tenants inhabiting the property? Kailangan mo rin ma-check yun kasi kung halimbawa meron mga illegal inhabitants, ikaw rin ang magkakargo na magpaalis doon. Siyempre, you need to know the history of the property as well. Baka naman merong recent na untoward incident na nangyari doon that may have prompted the owner to suddenly sell the land. Siyempre, kailangan din mo rin malaman yon. So, hope all these information helped out. If so, I'd appreciate if you would like and share. Thank you. Bye.